headed, you guys?
To the airport! To see Daddy lift off in an airplane.
Daddy's gonna go in an airplane. We have a friend who is a pilot, and he has like a smaller prop plane today, and so we're driving out to a little local airport, and Nathan's gonna go up. So it's kind of fun. Kind of a fun thing. I'm a little nervous though. I'm the worry wart. Okay, you guys, wave to Mama.
Have any questions, you make sure and tap your daddy. He'll be in the back, and you just reach up and tap him on the shoulder and say something like, you
guys, Molly and Liam are going to. Definitely a fun surprise for our Labor Day weekend. Clive and I are gonna watch.
You guys ready to land? Yeah. Give me a thumbs up for landing. Thumbs up, all right.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
It was totally awesome.
Was it?
Amazing.
What did you see?
We saw most of the
A
lake.
lot. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. You could get them out. So that was really fun. That's a dream come true right there.
I can't believe this. What a fun thing.
Yep. Flew over the school.
Oh.